Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created SQL query to fetch comma separated categories which is associated with tutorial post. In this video, we are going to add that category here right after the status, and we also need to add that in the model. But before that, we need to add here in the table. So we have a post list. Here it is. We are in the post in the index page where the values are inserting. As you can see, it is inserting here, and we need to add right after the status. So the status is here, SU URL and TID. Here we have a status, publish or draft, and we also need to add a category. So we will use something like here TD, converting the date. Here we can add that easily. Copy this TD, paste, use a plus sign here and add oops, we have something wrong here. Okay, yes, we need to add a whole TD here. And here we have to use a separation. Category, and that's it. Now refresh it. So once when it get loaded, we have a column here for TD, but we did not refresh the table, so we also need to refresh that table. Go to the T body, add category here too. Now refresh that. So it will take not more place. Okay, now we need to add category within the model. So let's stop the execution. Host controller, which is fetching this, we need to go to the post get request. In the get request, we are using the model, and we need to add category first thing. The second thing is that we need to populate six with category, and that's it. Now execute the application. The application is loaded successfully, and here you can see we have these two categories applied here. Okay, let's once add we did not apply that in the edit mode, so let's create another something like this. Demo cat, selecting categories, MATLAB tutorials, and this create the post. Post is created in the list. We did not apply it in the edit case, so when we will refresh, we will see the categories. Okay, that is not applied here. Yes, the reason is that we did not created the insertion of category from the front end right now. We just added the category in the front end. If we will insert that manually from the back end, like you can see here, I will get all the select all from post underscore category. We have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up to 11. Use select all from tutorial post. Here we have a post having ID 4010. Updating this, update tutorial post, set category is equal 9, 10, 11. Okay, and comma 7, where PID is equal this. Refresh, the row is affected, and now when we will refresh the page, the 410, here is the 410, have these categories. So in the next tutorial we will add the procedure by which we can insert category in the edit and creation mode. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.